right here it says that it has 20 surprises, and we get to change this box into a play set. And I'm not really sure who we got, but as you can see there, that's who we got. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start by opening the box. Okay, right here. Oh my God, this is so tight. Okay. OMG! Look at this, you guys. Look at the box. We got Roller Chick. As you can see on the back of the box, you can see all the characters. There's Chillax, Class Prez, Roller Chick, that's the one that we got, and then Diva Box. Oh my God. But now let's just open the box so let's see what's inside. OMG! This is just room. This is here. Dress room. Start up stuff. And then let's take out the doll! OMG, you guys! Look, she is beautiful! Jasmine. Let's open.
This is Jasmine.
Just as you can see, she has braids! So she starts with like hair down from here, from the front. And then she has two bonbons. And then it goes down and it starts framing braids. I like the color of her hair. It's like purple, pink, orange. She's just like chill. She's athletic. As you can see, her outfit, she's very athletic. And I like this beautiful socks.
Yeah, she like pink.
She can move everything pretty much.
Okay, let's start getting these away.
She's wanting to open it.
A new outfit!
Ooh, they're panties. They're pants. She could either be in pants or shorts. So that's nice. Oh, and by the way, it came with a stand for her, like, just stand right there.
I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open this.
Stand.
I'm gonna open it.
Hold on. Okay, so the box also came with a brush with the doll. Just brush her hair, you know.
My turn. Let me open this.
Her own personal bag. Oh, it's so cute. I love this. Oh my God, look at the details. I love her nails. Look at that. Look at those nails. They're beautiful.
Leilany, open this.
Oh, can I open too? Can you open those two?
I'm gonna open it.
Okay. That's probably the shirt or something. Okay, so I just opened this. She says 6.5 in her roller skates. So it came in this beautiful box. So let's open it. OMG! Look at these! They're like high heels and they're like roller skates. Like, oh my God. I mean, who would not fall in love with these? She has such good taste in clothes. Okay, now it's her, Leilany's turn to open her bag. Wow, you just opened it. Let's go. Ooh, where did panties go? Yeah, oh yeah, they're right there. I told you it was gonna be clothes. It's a sweater to match it. It says, see ya. I think it says later. I like it. It's fashionable. It's cute. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and transform her, and then we're gonna. Oh, hold on. There's one more. See what's in here. This is a circle blue box. Let's see. Came with like tissue paper. Oh, sunglasses. It's only good for one eye for me. She does look good in this. Ooh, I love this.
Open.
Okay, hold on. There's one more thing in here. OMG. There's earrings. Real life earrings. I think these are earrings too. And then there's like a bracelet. A cute baby bracelet. So So let me show you a closer look at these disco earrings. As I was saying, we're going to show you a closer look at these beautiful disco earrings. Look at that. Wow. It's beautiful. And then I think these are earrings or bracelets. But there's 2 of each. But for the bracelet, there's only 1. So we're going to go ahead and change her. Okay. Go, go, go. Do you need help? I think you dropped something. You dropped the bracelet!
I don't think so.
Yeah, that blue and white thing. That's the bracelet. So there's a hole here where you can put the earrings. Doesn't really matter which ear. Okay. So here are her glasses and her earrings together. So now let's see what the orange little hoop things are for. They're probably like anklets. Just try on the roller skate shoes. It said on the box it was 6.5, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, 6.5. That's how much what her shoe size is. Okay, so this is how she looks with earrings, sunglasses, and roller skates. As you can see, she looks beautiful. Look at those shoes. Show them off, girl. Show them off. And then her shorts, her beautiful sockies.
It's getting cold, so why don't we change her into...
Yeah, let's change her into her pants. Let's take off her shoes so we can trade her into the pants. Okay, let's take off her shorties.
Oh, she's...
So these are easy take-off clothes for the little ones, so it's easier for them. So ready to go. That's easy. Okay, now we're gonna put on these nice shimmery panties. The pants are actually real. Okay, let's do this. Okay.
Look, it can go in lots of surprise behaviors that you can put it in. Look, it can have the shorts.
Boom! There she is with her jeans, her outfit, her hair. Where did her glasses go? We need her. Oh yeah, we forgot about her sweater. We're gonna put on her sweater just to have that fully look. Actually, I'm gonna put on everything to show you the full look of the doll. Like, you know, nobody can go without their bag. Their bag, okay. She's good with the bag. Now we need her glasses. I'm pretty sure those orange things are like bracelets.
And I'm pretty sure this is a bracelet.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are bracelets. And then we're gonna have to say bye. But first, let me just put on her shoes, show you the full, super duper full look. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
She looks rich.
Bracelet and her shoes.
It's way too much. Okay, let's
So now I say bye. Howdy to you guys. So, thank you for watching this video. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Leilany&keilany, and we see you guys there. We post TikToks every day, and Instagram also, Facebook also. So you and everyone else go and check it out, and please follow and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and comment down other videos you want us to do. And at the end of this video, there are going to be 2 videos that you haven't seen yet of l.o.l dolls, so go ahead and see them. Bye.